its neighbor. I don't know what kind of bird of prey, falcon maybe, or hawk, I don't know, but he hangs out in the front yard. I've seen him grab a couple snakes. I'm hoping he leaves the bunny rabbits alone. He's pretty cool. He's up there eyeballing, looking for something for breakfast, I can tell. He's been around for the last couple weeks, so he must have a nest somewhere in the yard. Good looking bird. Howdy, neighbor. Way too cute. Love me some Mother Nature. Well, he's getting ready to take off. Choom. Where'd you go? Oh, he went over into the apple tree. Trying to catch some snakes over yonder. Just had to share. Have a great day. Peace.